ready to ditch the AI image fails and finally create masterpieces you're proud to share. Let's dive into Leonardo AI and unlock the secrets to perfect image generation in just a minute and a half. First, prompts are everything. Forget vague descriptions, be specific. Instead of cat, try a fluffy Persian cat with piercing blue eyes, sitting on a velvet cushion in a sunlit Victorian library. See the difference? More detail equals better results. Now, let's tweak those settings. The guidance scale determines how closely the AI follows your prompt. Higher values mean stricter adherence. Start with a moderate value like 7 and experiment next up. Prompt magic. Enabling this will refine your prompt internally. Control nets are a great way to reference pose and composition and create exactly what you want to find. These options. Scroll down and click Control Net. Don't forget negative prompts. Tell the AI what you don't want. Common negative prompts include ugly, deformed, mutated, blurry. Adding these can drastically improve your image quality. Experiment with different models. Leonardo AI offers a variety. Some are better for photorealism, others for stylized art. Find the one that best suits your vision. Finally, remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with prompts, settings, and models, the better you'll become at guiding Leonardo AI to create truly flawless images. Go forth and create something amazing.